Hello everybody, it's Christine. It is time. I'm actually posting a couple days late here because you guys know I was in the middle of my move. So my Color Rush Studio design team layout, I needed to use this sketch here, or I guess it's a sketch. I had bought these dies just as I was walking out the door of the other house. So I'm excited to use these because I've had these, it's hard to make these diamonds for me. And I wanted to use them because I got this diamond sketch here, right? This is the Zesty kit. And again, like I said, this is June. I think she actually sold out like the first day, but then restocked. So definitely go check out the website if you want to see this kit. And she's already released July rather. And it is a gorgeous kit as well. And I'll have an unboxing as soon as my package arrives. The post office is a little slower out here in the country. So my package is not here yet, so that's okay. I'm kind of doing a little catch-up layout here. So this was the Simple Stories, Simple Vintage Linen Market Kit. It's a red, white, and blue, kind of an Americana. Oh, there's Saturn. Some people have been asking how she's doing. She's okay. The move didn't bother her so much as my daughter's other pets. So anyway, we are going to make a layout. I have this picture. I know, baby. I know. Of my daughter. We were actually at Disney World. This is was it MGM Studios? And they show you like how tall you are, how you can, we can ride the line. Well, she's definitely way taller than the minimum here, right? But I thought this was a cute picture. It's got the red, white, and blue kind of going on. She's got the Marvel t-shirt and all that kind of stuff. So, Miss Ma'am, you're going to have to get out of the way. This was not in any kind of July or anything, but I do think the colors work. So I probably won't use this, although this is gorgeous. But I think I can get into, and y'all, I already know I've got a glare with this light. There's an overhead light on my ceiling. I don't yet have a solution, so I got to think about it. And of course the cat is all up in business here, but we can maybe, I don't know what I'm going to use yet. I can't use smile because of course this is during 2020, so we had to wear masks throughout Disney here, but maybe, I don't know, happiness, because it's the happiest place on earth or whatever, maybe something like that. So and I have to have a subtitle because the sketch shows that. So actually I need to cut the diamond pieces. So I'll get out my big shot. I'm going to cut them out, all these various different little patterns here. I need to figure out what I want to do because I don't want to tear up a good piece. Like I can fussy cut this out, so maybe I'll use some of that. Get me a piece, probably a white cardstock. Y'all, I'm rambling. I'm out of practice making videos, y'all, because I've been kind of off camera now for 2.5 weeks. 2.5 weeks, I guess now. So, oh, this is cute too. Maybe I can use some of this. Anyways, let me get my cardstock. I'll start cutting my diamonds, and I'll be back on in a minute. Okay, you guys, I went over and I got a piece of white cardstock. I need to trim it down because I think I'm going to use the stars on the outside, this tissue paper. And then I think I'm going to use this blue, you guys, this cat, to mat it. And I think I'm about to have a mess here because Oreo has managed to wander in here and she's about to see him. So we'll see if we have a hot mess with cats in a second. Because she doesn't like him and he's been up here eating her food. Oh, yep, she spotted him. We'll see. Let's see if he spots her. But anyways, I'm going to glue this down here. I'm going to have this texture between the two. And I think that is going to be so neat. And then I'll put my diamonds and stuff here. I'm actually not going to cut my photo into a diamond because I'll lose the thing. So I'll put the diamonds underneath the photo and then let this kind of be on top of the diamonds is what I'm thinking. So now let me get busy and I'll be back. And I'm trying to think about, I feel like I need to adjust. So y'all give me a little grace, I guess, if I could ask that while I'm kind of organizing this is my first recording here. So let's see what I can get done without making too hot of a mess. And y'all, I appreciate any, like I said, any grace I can get out of you guys while I'm getting myself organized. And we'll see, but I'll be back in a second. Well, you guys, I decided to do a time lapse on these diamond cuts here because, well, I decided to get fancy with the phone because why not, right? So I cut out, I think it was like 15 diamonds. I didn't need that many, but I wanted some options. And then crazily enough, I didn't even think about flipping the papers over till partway through putting these down. And I flipped one over by accident. Well, I was putting the glue on it. I go, oh, wait a minute, I like that pattern. So I'm going to flip it around and end up with like a little yellow floral and stuff like that. So I got my little diamond set going on here, and then I'm going to take my photo, and I will end up matting that on black cardstock. I started to use like a pattern, but it really wasn't separating it enough, and the black stars and the tissue paper, I thought, well, this is going to be perfect, so I decided to do that. I will put foam behind it as well to kind of bring it up, and then I'm going to use foam like for the titles and stuff like that. I'm really pleased with this layout. I'm running behind on stuff. I was trying to get everything done before we moved. The Packers came on the 8th, y'all. And I got the kit. For some reason, our post office is a little slow even up there, honestly. So I didn't get the kit until like the 2nd. So I was like trying to get all those layouts done. And this one's a little behind. So I have to apologize to Charlotte and the team. This was supposed to have been posted Saturday and it's going to be Monday. So my apologies, you guys. Please don't let that impact your ability to go out there and show. Actually, maybe you're going to get lucky because you can go get the June kit still. I think it's still in the shop, and you can pick up the July kit. And she's got a special right now. If you subscribe now, I think you get like a discount or something like that. So make sure you go check out the website, you guys. This is a great little monthly kit. I think the next July is all like exclusives too. Oh, it's got these cute little popsicles, you guys. It is so freaking cute. I can't wait to get it. I'll have an unboxing once it gets here. So going back to this layout, so I got my title, my little subtitles, like Days Like These, and then I had Happiness, which I just love that font. Kind of reminds me of Disney. So that's going to be that. And then I'm kind of going through, there was actually like stars on the sketch kind of next to the titles, but I'm going to pull out some flowers in a minute because I had cut them already. I had forgotten I had even done that. It had been so long. And I thought, well, these are great. So I'm going to pull those out. And then I'm going to end up using some little hearts and stuff. Oh, here's where I'm putting the foam on the pictures. I will tell you guys, our move went well. Like the movers, you know, everything was on time. Everything, I didn't have anything broken. Knock on wood. I've still got like 6 or 7 boxes left to unpack, but not too many. And then I found one candlestick was broken, but if I'm honest with you guys, I think it was cracked before we started. So I'm not even sad about it. It was an IKEA one. It wasn't real expensive. No big deal. I've been really blessed. I'm not going to lie. So it was worth the money and the kind of scaredness of not packing my own things because they did probably a better job than I would have done, to be honest. So we got down here, but then of course there's just work to be done. So like our floors, this craft room here, I had to paint and floors and all the things. So I'm feeling a little bit more normal, but still not 100% there. And also my poor cat is these other pets. We've kind of got chaos some days, most days. It's okay. Okay, so here's where I got the florals. Plugging those down. I'm kind of going through and I'm thinking, okay, can I use I almost use the ladybugs, you guys, because I think they're so cute, but I'm kind of hanging on to those. I need to find a way to take like some pictures here because we do have like, you know, it's a farm-ish kind of now. We're out in the country, right? So like, let me find some stuff to take pictures of out here. Y'all, there are so many bugs, and I don't mind bugs, but it's the flying ones. It's the mud daubers. It's the wasp. There's like 3 or 4 different kinds. And they like to come into the garage, and then they want to kind of fly into the house, and then they stuck in your windowsill, and it's like, oh my gosh. But actually, we're doing pretty good. My husband stuck a little flycatcher sticky things out, and he's caught a couple. He was upset the first few days he didn't have any on his little flycatchers, but we got some. But I think it's getting better. We got air conditioning, you know, worked on. We're doing good. We're doing really good. Internet was a problem last week, too. They had to come in and fix that. The dish was messed up. I don't know what all, y'all. For about 2 days, I was terrified because I go, we work from home. We have to have our internet. And I was freaking out, but then they fixed it. They actually assigned us a case manager because I made such a stink. But we got it back. We're back to rights. So anyways, okay, my layout here, I got some little hearts. These are so cute, you guys. And I put a little bits of foam up under my edges of my flowers here. Give myself a little dimension. And I'm going to glue these down. My Nuvo glue, by the way, my little the little gun, I think I might be out of glue, y'all. I'm going to have to look at it a little closer. I didn't really have time this morning, but I need to look at it. I can't tell if it's really out or if it's just needing to be, it's been not used and I need to like unplug it or something like that. So anyways, I thought about pulling out mixed media, but then I go, no, I'm kind of loving like just the little foam pieces and all that. Now here's where I'm going to cut off the tops of these diamonds. I do just use an X-Acto knife and my straight ruler, and I put a little paper in between that and the tissue paper so I didn't mess it up. But I'm going to just cut the little diamond pieces off to, you know, make it be within the white frame. So I do allow the florals to kind of extend beyond the white frame, but I keep the diamonds inside the white frame. I probably should have wrote the date, but it's going in our Disney album, so I already kind of know when it is. And here is where I'm going back into my foams again. I put a couple little ephemera hearts down, but I'm going to find some little foam hearts here and stick those around the other little heart pieces. So this turned out really, I love all the patterns, you guys. This is such a pretty kit. I love I should have put, now that I'm looking at this, I should have put one of my acrylics down there, those stars. Oh well, I'll use those on another layout. So there we go. That's my layout, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you check out the link below for the website, and then you have Christine10 for your code to get you a discount. And again, I think she's got something going on for July, so make sure you go check that out. It's a really, really adorable kit with like popsicles and like summertime stuff. So you guys go check that out, and we will see you next time. I'm glad to be back. Bye.